Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to remove double chin in PicsArt. Removing a double chin in PicsArt is a simple process, and here is how you can do it. First of all, open up the PicsArt application on your mobile device and then click on the plus button at the top left and select an image with a double chin on it in order to start the editing process. After importing the image onto your editing screen, from the bottom menu, go ahead and look for the option where it says Retouch. Once you select Retouch, select the Reshape option from the bottom menu and then select the Reduce option from the bottom. You can now tap and hold on the area where you want to reduce, but before that, make sure to select the size of the brush by dragging the little white panel. You can also go ahead and increase or decrease the power for your effect, and once you are done, zoom in on the area on the image and then simply go ahead and drag onto the area you want to reduce on the image. And after you do that, you will notice that the double chin from the image has somewhat been reduced. Now after you do that, apply the changes by clicking on apply at the top right and get to the smooth option at the bottom. Now click on manual button and increase or decrease the size of your brush again, and then simply wipe over the double chin area and smoothen out the area just like that. Go ahead and explore it through the process and you will be able to remove the double chin on your image. There might be other methods you can use in order to do so, but this is the method that I have been currently using. After you are done with it, apply the changes like you would normally do and export your photo by clicking on the next button at the top right hand corner. Save the edited photo to your device by clicking on save, or share it directly on social media by clicking on post at the bottom right hand corner. So that is how you can easily remove double chin using the PicsArt application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.